Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the comparison of series and parallel resonant circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Comparison of series and parallel resonant circuit. For parallel, practical resonant circuit is considered. Now we'll see the comparison. The first one is impedance at the resonance. In case of series circuit, the impedance is minimum. In parallel circuit is maximum. Current at the resonance. For series circuit, it is maximum. Is given by E by R. In parallel circuit, it is minimum. It is given by E C R divided by L. Then effective impedance is R in case of series circuit. In parallel circuit, the effective impedance is L divided by C by R. L divided by C into R. The next one, power factor. Power factor at the resonance is unity in series circuit. In parallel circuit also it is unity. Then resonant frequency is very important. The resonant frequency formula for the series circuit is 1 divided by 2 pi root of into root of L into C. In case of series circuit, 1 divided by 2 pi square root of LC. In parallel circuit, 1 divided by 2 pi into square root of 1 divided by LC minus R square by L square. So this is the resonant frequency in case of the parallel circuit. Then it magnifies. The series circuit magnifies the voltage. The parallel circuit magnifies the current. That's the main difference. That magnifies voltage in series circuit. Current is magnified in the parallel circuit. Then magnification. What is the magnification? L omega naught divided by R in series circuit. In parallel circuit also L omega naught divided by R. So these are all the comparison between the series and parallel resonant circuits. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.